standard Whelen 900 ambulance reflector. These are for the lights in the back. They actually perimeter lights everything. As you notice, the socket that holds the lamp is specific to the Whelen lamp assembly. This has a Whelen specific light assembly in it, which holds their 30 to 50 watt halogens. And the assembly comes out the front. What I want to do is change that over to a standard 3057 assembly, such as this. And that's what I'm going to take you through today. Moved, you can see how the socket fits in there, and that if we line these up, this 3-wire 3057 assembly that I got out of a Ford nearly fits in there. We're going to make some minor changes and fit that bulb in. Is remove the landings around the outside of the socket, the ones that slip or lock it in to the assembly on a Ford vehicle. To do this, I just use a pair of dikes and nip away at them all the way along and clean it up afterward with a file. It up, you can see, yeah, it's fairly smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just needs to be smooth enough that allows it to slip into the new receptacle. Note that you got to discard this gasket, otherwise you're going to be gluing this gasket to the assembly, and that's not going to stay in for you. We'll be enlarging the opening on the Whelen reflector so that this will slip right through. It's kind of funny, you can almost see an outline missing from the reflectorized portion, to which it actually matches up exactly with the Ford receptacle. What you do is you go in and remove those bits with a file and then test it for fit. Move those portions that the Ford assembly fits in quite easily. Just slips right in there. And from the back, let me get this popped in. From the back, you'll see you now have a flush place to glue the rest of the socket. So we get some JB Weld together and glue that in there. Just, rubbing alcohol and clean the area, and then coated JB Weld all the way around the base of the 3057 socket. And we'll place that in, get it positioned how I want, and set it down. Here's how it looks. And from the flip side, there you go. You now have a 3-way light. It can be used for brakes, tail lamp, or running lamp, and uses a standard 3057 bulb. It's cheap, easy to replace, and can actually be replaced with an LED type bulb. I'll give you more video after I put it in. So here's the finished product. Got all the brake lights hooked up together. Finished project at night. Nice. That's good.